I'm really excited about today. Today we're floating down the Old Man River. I wish the clouds would stay away. It was so nice and clear earlier today. It was a bit of a muddy start, wasn't it, Adam?
Uh-huh.
And pretty soon here I won't even have to paddle because we're going to join the current. This is a lot faster than last summer. This is going to be awesome. Through the highway bridge now in a record time. Eddie is living the life.
Yeah, let Mother Nature carry us.
Yeah. Catching anything today?
Just a sucker so far.
Oh well, you're catching some good weather anyways.
Yeah, exactly.
You too.
You do. It's going to be faster.
I'll turn us around so the camera can see. Here's our sorry excuse for rapids. But it's about as much as I think Adam is going to want to risk here. Here we go. That was nothing too big. I don't want this to be over already, but the river's going so fast.
Yeah.
At this speed, what do you think? I think we should just stay in here and go right to Tabor or maybe Medicine Hat.
This river goes to Tabor.
It goes to Tabor and Medicine Hat. Eddie, if we stay in this river long enough, we go through Saskatoon, yeah, and then we go out to the Atlantic Ocean. And we paddle out in the Atlantic. Yeah, that's where this technically ends up. Oh, okay, there's the stairs. Okay.
No!
What did you think?
That was so fun! I want to do it again!
Well, we successfully got out of the river without getting washed away.
Yeah.
So is that fun? Is that something you'd recommend other people do?
Yeah.
And if you do it right now, it took us about an hour and a half to go from the power plant by the just downstream of the weir all the way to Pavan Park. I will say that's exceptionally fast. I've done it in the past and it's taken about 3 hours plus. I guess that's the advantage of going in this time of year when the water flow is exceptionally high. So I guess till next time, we'll see you guys later.
Bye!
Bye.